Welcome to I Love Applications. Today I'll be talking about a way to create website or mobile app in less than an hour with Replit. So most people have challenge in paying developers huge sum of money to create different application and website for their business. Here is an application, an AI tool that you can use to create website and mobile applications and deploy them to the cloud services. For more videos like this, kindly hit on the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so you can get updates when I release interesting videos like this. So I'll be talking about Replit. Replit is an application that will help you to design mobile application and also web application and deploy them to the cloud. So it's an all-in-one coding platform that allows users to code, collaborate, and deploy projects. It also supports over 50 different programming language, making it a versatile tool for developers. So now you don't really have to pay big money to developers to design platforms for you. You don't need a coding experience for this. All you just need to do is visit replit.com and sign up on Replit. So when you sign up on Replit, you have the interface like this. So you can create with Replit agent. You can choose a template. So I will just teach you how to create with an agent. So simply generate a prompt like this. Generate a personal portfolio website using HTML, CSS, da. So you can start building with that. So I will show you a complete platform that was built with Replit. So I prompted Replit to build a complete platform. You can see that these are the code generated from Replit. So it also have the power to debug itself, and you can be able to deploy your application to the server. It gives you a domain, and you can be able to generate to mobile application. For more videos like this, kindly click on the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you can get updates when I drop new videos and interesting videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day.